BGS.
Hi, here's your BGS Michael. Today I brought you two axle boot clamps from BGS Technique. These are characterized by forged clamping jaws. One of the two is angled by 90 degrees. Now let's see how they work on the vehicle. I've already prepared the axle boot for you here, and I'll show you next how to mount the clamp quickly and easily. A tip on the side: if you can pre-shape the clamp a bit, then it will be easier afterwards. I've pre-assembled the clamp so that I can show you this better. I take the pliers with the jaws angled at 90 degrees. You apply this, tension it, check that the clamp is properly seated on the axle boot. If this is the case, you start to operate the ratchet. If you will notice that it's tense and difficult, do not do too much. When you get to the point, stop. Release the whole set again. And look, the axle boot is tensioned. The axle boot fits and the clamp is tensioned. Please pay attention to the torque specifications of the manufacturer when tightening. No matter which of the two pliers you use, the result is always the same. A great job. A must-have for your workshop. Your BGS Michael.